Now see here, what is rainbow? Rainbow is actually here the spectrum of sunlight in nature. Generally we see rainbow in the sky just after the rain, because water droplets remain suspended in atmosphere, and when sunlight falls on these water droplets, they form a spectrum, and that spectrum is seen in the form of the rainbow. See here, rainbow can be two types, that is a primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. Now see here, how does a rainbow gets formed? In this case, suppose you have taken sun rays are coming from here. Suppose you are observing rainbow, sun must be behind you. So the sun rays are coming here. These are the two water droplets I have taken. When sun's rays fall on this end, refraction of light takes place and dispersion also as well, and when at this point it strikes here inner part, total internal reflection takes place, because critical angle is around here, in this case that is a 48 degree. So here this, due to this that one, the total internal reflection takes place at this point. When the total internal reflection takes place at this point, ray comes to this side, it is already dispersed. I have not taken the two rays, I have taken two rays here, and due to this one the dispersion here, again refraction is taking place. It means here the violet color deviates, goes away, and red color of the light comes over here at the observer. If we look at the another drop below that, you will be seeing here the violet color is the top and the red color is coming over here. So red color of the light reaching at the eye at an angle of the 42 degree, and the violet color is reaching at an angle of 40 degree. So when the observer here, he observes red color is the uppermost color and the violet color is the lowermost here. In this case, this type of the rainbow is known as primary rainbow. But see here another case, here I have taken the two rays and two times total internal reflection is taking place. It means there are the four step process, two times refraction and two times total internal reflection. But here when the rays emerges out, in that case the violet is coming at the angle of 50 degree and red is coming at the angle of 53 degree. Because of that, you know, the violet color is here the uppermost color and the red color is the lowermost color. So this one is here, it the reverse one is here, this one is taken as the red one, sorry, this one is the violet and this one is the red. So violet color is the uppermost and red color is the lowermost. But here due to refraction, energy intensity of the light gets reduced and this rainbow is here appear to be faint. So see here, this is the natural phenomena where we see the spectrum of sunlight in the atmosphere.